Hello there, how are you? Welcome back to How I Did It. Well, today I'm going to show you how I bypassed the lid safety switch on my Kenmore washer. Disclaimer, don't do this at home. It can cause severe bodily injury, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, with that being said, two screws will actually loosen up this sensor. You can pull it out, cut these two wires that connect that sensor, strip the wires back, tie them together with a wire nut, add a strip of electrical tape just to double safety the wire nut on, and tuck it back in there. I opted to do this simply because number one, wanted to get my laundry done, didn't want to wait for the part to come in. Number two, I have enough common sense to know that when the wash machine is going, to not put my hands down in there. Because back in the day, before they had these safety switches on here, um, this they that's how they ran. And then people became dorks, got hurt, sued Kenmore or whatever the washing company was, and so they ended up putting these safety sensors on. So I eliminated the safety sensor. Like I said, I simply cut the two wires that connected the sensor, stripped the wires back, put the wire nut on it. I went ahead and wrapped it with electrical tape just to ensure that it wouldn't work its way loose. And then I tucked it back up in there so it'd be out of the way, not free floating, and I'll show you a better shot of that in just a second. And there it is. So I actually could push the tub over to fish this in and do what I needed to do. It is just a really simple, easy fix. Now just a matter of plugging it in and making sure that it runs. There you have it. Alrighty then, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time. Take care.